just always that thing of just challenging what the mind and the body can go through and seeing what the limit is of yourself. So this is the one that's on the list that I love doing so much, and it's a fight till the end, and yeah, it's a challenge that we always take on board and we try and give it our best shot.
Is quite a tough challenge, and everything what is coming is more or less completely new for me. In the end, we get in the morning a road book would show us 300-400 pages. Now we get like 20 minutes before the start, so we just put the road book in and we say, okay, let's see what can find the next 400, 500, 600, 700 Ks.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to going to Dakar again because, you know, last year already I felt a little bit home advantage as such because I lived here in Dubai for 10 years, and I had a really good feeling on the bike, good with the navigation and the terrain. I felt really comfortable. So yeah, we're looking forward to it and been working really hard, so can't wait to get started.
Our goal for 2021 in Dakar is always to win. KTM and Red Bull, everyone that supports our program, it's every single one of us that sit under that tent, we're all trying to chase that #1 spot. So we'll fight till the last day if possible, and try and make that happen again.